Ankit Kumar, hello too. Sister, how are you? I'm fine, Ankit Kumar. How about you, Ankit Kumar? How are you? Yeah. Tambay ko muna, turtle ko sa'yo, te. Kain muna ako. Okay, sige, Lyra. Thank you, Lyra Bakar. And also, Let Bakar and Lyra Mix Vlog, guys. Please connect to Lyra Mix Vlog, guys. Ayan, ipipin ko siya mamaya after ng ni Sir Katikal. Sir Katikal, patang ko na si Lyra Mix Vlog, ah. Yan. Please also connect to Lyra Mix Vlog, guys. She's also my friend, guys. Yan. Yes. Totoo. Ayan. Thank you, Lyra Bakar. That Bakar pala. Yan. I really miss you. Ascent is, ano yung soak? What is it? What is ascent in soak? Oh, ayan. I soak med. Social media. Grabe. Wala ako dun, ah. Thank you, Sir Jake Chavez. Miss you too. Yan. 7 viewers, mega love. Shout out. Ankit Kumar, I'm fine. Sorry. Yeah. How about you, Sir Ankit Kumar? Hello, sister. Hello, brother. Yan. Good evening sa inyong lahat, guys. Yan. Thank you, Lyra Bakar. Lyra said, go on culinary. Yan. Lyra Mix Vlog is eating already her dinner. She come back after dinner. Yan. Yan. Go on culinary. Thank you very much. Yan. 6 viewers. Mega love shout out. Yan. Hello sa inyong lahat, guys. Yan. Mega love shout out. Sir Jake, talaga nosebleed ako talaga sa ito. Yan. Try to sing a little song, Ate Jobs. No! I don't, I will not try to sing because there's a storm here. Baka magdalawa. Your channel like and subdo. Wow, thank you, Ankit Kumar. Thank you for liking and sub my channel. Thank you, Ankit Kumar. Yeah, thank you very much. Yan. Thank you, Ankit Kumar. Where you from, Sir Ankit Kumar? Yeah, where you from? Grabe si Sir, ano ba tayo? Pinagkanta ako dito, hindi nga ako marunong kumanta. Hello, Sanjera. What's senior? Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you for always support my live. Thank you, Sir Sanjera. What's senior? Thank you. You always here in my life every day, every night. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. I'm happy today talaga. I'm so happy this day, this night, guys. Yan. I'm super happy. Yeah. For viewers, mega love shout out. Good evening, guys. Please also connect to Sanjay Rawat Senior, guys. She also my brother to me. Yan. Sister, I'm in India. Okay, brother. Ankit Kumar. You're a girl or a boy? Ankit Kumar is a boy name or a girl name or ano? You're from India. Okay. How's here in the Philippines, Ankit Kumar, there's a storm. It's a heavy rain here. There's a floods in other places. Yan. How about in your country? Are you okay in your country? You're a boy. Okay, Ankit Kumar. Thank you, Ankit Kumar, for supporting my live also.